Here's the newest drone. We're going to unbox it and try it out. See if I can't crush it too. Here's the drone in the box. Another good box. That means it's going to have something cool in it, obviously. Looks like a little submarine. Here's motors. They're kind of small, but we'll see. This one was over 800 bucks. I don't know exactly what. So, okay. And let's see what's under here. Man, that's heavy. So it comes with the charger, extra propellers. I don't know what this is for. Find out. And this and that. Alright, I got it opened and got the propellers on, which are fold up too. And now we're going to go to the next step.